Does anybody know what that is? E36 M3, 1995. I don't know if it's a timing chain or if it's a lifter tick. I think that it's probably a lifter tick. Otherwise, I mean, I don't think that it is a exhaust leak. Doesn't really sound like that to me, but you guys let me know. I really have zero clue. By the way, nice M cloth, stock, original, except for the door cards. I put those in. I could always put the original back. But anyways, yeah, let me know. I don't know what that ticking is. I know BMWs are infamous for it, but I don't know where to pinpoint this one to. Please let me know.